In this video, we'll show you how to turn off sensitive content filter on X, formerly known as Twitter. If you find this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. If sensitive content isn't appearing on your feed, it's likely due to a filtering setting that we can adjust. Here's how you can do that. First, exit the X app and open up a web browser. For this example, I'm going to use Safari. More specifically, Safari on my iPhone. In the address bar, go to twitter.com. Once the page loads, scroll down and tap Sign In. From here, log into your account. Once you do get logged in, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy and Safety in these options and go into Content UC. Once you do get into this option, make sure the option for display media that may contain sensitive content is turned on. Once you do that, you can remove yourself from these settings and return to that X app. You might need to restart the app for the change to take effect, but that is it. You now have sensitive content turned off. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you are brand new. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.